name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve. Today we are in Lagos in Porto de Mós. Is one of the most exquisite locations in town. It's known for its high-end villas, beautiful beach, and for the high-end restaurants. And we are today in one of these high-end villas. This location has been favored for many investors and residents from around the world. So we are today in this beautiful villa of a 374 meters square, spread over 3 levels on a plot of 1,217 meters square, with a 3-car garage, with an elevator, and with a south-facing terrace with a magnificent ocean view. And we are in the heart of the villa on the first floor, which is the living room, dining room, and kitchen, with the Bosch appliances, granite countertops, high-end materials, with a slim profile double-glazed windows, modern lightings as you can see, and a seamless transition from inside out to the beautiful terrace with a magnificent ocean view. So we invite you to visit this villa in Algarve in Porto de Mós, and if you like to see more details, please click on the link below. Please subscribe, like, and see you on the next one.